Okay, all, here is my ATI themed chassis. And I say that because it tends to have a red and black theme and tends to be kind of a very clean style to it. This is a Silverstone chassis made for the company Falcon Northwest. Falcon Northwest called it the Fragbox. Those of you familiar with the Fragbox know that it did not have this face on it. The Fragbox face is beautiful in its own right. It's brushed aluminum with a large piece of acrylic over it with a skull engraved into the acrylic. It's actually very stylish, looks great, but there is zero airflow on that case. It has no fans built into the case or fan holes anywhere. A tiny little 60mm fan hole in the back of the chassis. Obviously nowhere near adequate, and here's where that tiny little 60mm fan grill hole is. Nowhere near enough airflow for modern cards, power supplies, CPUs, etc. So I decided to up that a little bit. And again, this one got changed with a new brushed aluminum front plate with 220mm fans. I use Scythe fluid dynamic bearing fans. I absolutely love them for their noise to airflow ratio and long life. This one, the ATI case, got tinted windows, again going for that red and black theme. It works very nice. Geil Black Dragon memory inside. You can see the red lights on it. Adds a nice touch to the case. And looking inside, let me block the light for a second. You can see the red lights. Even with the light not being blocked, you can still see them in there past the fans. As we come around, again, the tinted windows. Inside is an HIS 5970 ATI card. On this case, I'm going to remove the cover so you can see inside real quickly. I'll set that down. Okay, there's the 5970 ASUS Maximus Gene motherboard. Again, all for the red and black theme. You can see there's plenty of room in there for the card. Good airflow. This particular case has a Ultra 1000 watt X3 power supply. Again, lots of room. Very critical on my wires there because, you know, being a small form factor case, airflow is everything. Especially again with today's, you know, video components, processors, and video cards. You want to keep it as cool as possible. Longer life, better performance. I had the chassis professionally painted black with auto paint at a local shop. Was worth every penny. They didn't charge me much at all. I got 2 chassis done. Each one I paid less than $100 to get it done. Well worth it. When you're talking about a $300 case on the market, it's, yeah, less than $100 to get the chassis done professionally with auto paint is cheap. Okay, well, there's the ATI 5970, the inside, and my ATI themed case. Again, she's a beauty. About the only thing you really hear here is the fan on the 5970. Not a quiet card, but a great performer. I will move on to my NVIDIA themed case next and let you guys get a glimpse of that one. So that was the ATI case. There you go.